Hi everybody, it's Nicola here from NB Office Assist. Today's tips and tricks video, we're going to look at a lovely wee feature within Excel for data extraction, and this is called Flash Fill. Now, for a lot of us, we may use Excel for databases or collection of data from imported information from like websites and things like that, or sales that we may have encountered. For whatever reason, Excel is very powerful for doing data analysis and things like that. So sometimes when we inherit information, whether it's from a client or whether it's information we've entered ourselves, or it's imported data, sometimes it doesn't come in as cleanly as we would like, or hasn't been entered correctly right from the get-go. So here we're just going to look at an example of our current clients, We All Wish, and also their state and postcode has been imported, but it's also come in together like this. So what we're going to do is look at how to extract this data into separate columns, so it's easier to work with in the future in regards to sorting and doing reporting. So Excel is very intuitive, so let's just say we start typing Lumley and then Pitt, and here we go. So Excel has automatically gone, oh, this is what you want to do. So when we've typed in Pitt, it's automatically gone, okay, we're assuming that everything in this column is what you're wanting to replicate within the first column, and it is. So we just hit enter, and there we go. It flash fills all the way down, replicating all the surnames from that first column. So for whatever reason, if you type and nothing comes up, that flash fill option does not come up, Excel is still working away in the background. So you can use the shortcut Control E, so E for extraction, so Control E, and it automatically does exactly the same thing. So it's a very cool feature, even if it doesn't automatically come up on your system after you've typed the first couple of names. So great time-saving measure, as I said, particularly if you've inherited data that may not be absolutely 100% usable or accurate. So now we obviously have the first name and last name in this column. So the easiest way around this is just to insert another column here. Oops, we went delete instead of insert. I was a bit too quick on the button there, and we'll just go first name and do the same, Joanna and Brad, and there we go, and then we can delete our first column, and we have our beautiful two separate columns, first name, surname, ready to go. So again, if you've inherited data that may not be have imported correctly, like here we've got Queensland 4551, so we just have to type in 4551 and then 2000, and again Excel has gone, okay, that's what you're trying to do, and we hit enter and extract our data. And again, we could just do the same scenario. We'll just insert and go state, and we'll do Queensland and New South Wales, and we are ready for action. Now, this is a really cool feature, as I said, just to speed things up. You may not be aware of it, so hopefully that is helpful, guys. So like normal, I'm Nicola from NB Office Assist. If there's anything I can literally assist you with in regards to a little tips and tricks video you may be struggling with in or around your office, shoot me a message, shoot me a DM, a shout out, and let me know you need some help. I'll happily do a video for you guys on anything that you may be struggling with or want to know about. Okay, until next time, take care.